welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. I'm very excited about this today because it's super easy. This is going to be one of those that anybody can do. We are going to decorate it with Skittles. So let's get started.
As always, we start out with a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, you can leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. Next, you need a lovely assistant. Just kidding, but my 5-year-old helped me sort the Skittles by color. I used a total of 4 125-gram packages of Skittles, or about 500 grams, or just over a pound. We started out by pressing the Skittles into the bottom edge of the cake in rainbow order. Now, Skittles aren't quite a rainbow because there's no blue, but it's a rainbow without blue. You can also use M&Ms or Smarties if you're in the UK for a similar effect. The next line of Skittles, we've moved them over to the right to create a diagonal rainbow stripe effect on the side of the cake. If ever any of the candy had a hard time sticking, just add a small dollop of buttercream. We continued this pattern all the way up the sides of the cake. If you like what we do here, consider subscribing for a new cake video every week. We also have regular bonus videos with recipes and tutorials. Now here's where the creativity really comes in. You can do any pattern on the top that you want, but I placed different colored flowers into the corners with yellow centers. Then I added a few green Skittles to look like leaves. Next, I stood up some Skittles in a smaller flower pattern between the first ones. The pattern in the middle of the cake became kind of a mandala pattern. I started in the middle with one color and worked my way out, placing the color in patterns. I laid some flat and stood some up. I think it looked really cool. I also placed a few more leaves on the other flowers. I think this is a super fun and colorful cake that anyone would love to have, and also incredibly versatile. I mean, you could cover the cake with Skittles, you could write a name with Skittles, you could include a number with Skittles, make stripes, curls, zigzags, circles, whatever strikes your fancy. This is just one possibility. This one is perfect for anyone who loves Skittles. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more.